I want you to breathe me. Let me be your air. Let me roam your body freely. No inhibition, no fear. How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Is it like Nirvana? Hit me harder again. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? How deep is your love?
All right, so we're back. We are actually at the 10th annual Charleston Food Truck Festival. I'm walking with my princess and we're heading to the Food Truck Festival. What are you excited to try?
Everything.
I'm very hungry.
I want some mangoes like in the one in New York City that we used to get.
Smorgasburg?
Yeah. Like on some juicy ones, like some thick ones on a stick. And then I also want some like different things. Multiple different things, like some small thing right there and another small thing right there.
Well, you're saying a lot of things and we don't know what that means. So, how about we wait until we get there? So I think we found our first stop, James Brown, famous boiled peanuts. Hi, how are you? We're filming for our YouTube channel. All right, so he's the boiled peanuts fanatic, so.
Who's that?
My husband.
Oh, yeah?
What's the price?
They're $5 and $10, and we have regular or Cajun.
Regular or Cajun. I've never tried Cajun. Do you want to try Cajun?
I'll stick to one.
Regular, please.
Okay, hold on 1 second. I gotta clear that out.
Do you guys have like a storefront?
No, it sells mostly at festivals, summer and farmers markets.
Gotcha. Hey guys, I just met Nicole. She was so awesome, and she said, "Hey, I recognize you guys from your."
I follow you on YouTube.
Yeah,
Hi,
that is so cool.
Bye.
So cool.
You
I'm
too.
gonna go to Bourbon and Bubble. They have H2O for music. Music, come on. Yeah, there you go. Good boy. That's right. Quench your thirst, bud. You have to drink from both of them?
We are going to look at the different food truck festivals and see which one we want to eat from. So.
Alright, we're about to get grown-up drinks. This is where you get all of the beer / mixed drinks. Okay, do you have that pineapple? I just saw it.
No, I don't know where that come from.
Oh, so what are you guys selling?
We're selling, we have an orange juice with pineapple vodka drink, we have a strawberry vodka drink, Bloody Marys, mimosas, and seltzers and beers.
Gotcha. Alright guys, so this is our summer drink. How is it?
Tastes like orange juice and pineapple.
It does.
Minus the liquor.
It definitely does. So we're about to get Taylor a lemonade slush. Mango slush? Oh, mango madness. That's probably better. We found a place for music. Oh, I've been wanting to get him a bandana. Oh my god. 2 for $39. Oh, wait.
I would say try this on and see if that's the right size. This is a medium.
Oh. Hi. Oh, it's okay, bud.
It's okay, Bubba's. It's okay. Come here.
It's okay. Look.
What did you choose?
We're just trying it on.
We're just trying a size for a second.
Hi, bud. Hold on. It's okay, buddy. Look, it's okay. Do you want to sit? Can you sit for mommy? Can you sit? Good boy. Good
You're
boy.
a total schmedium. Can you look at mommy?
Good boy, music. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god. I want it. I want it. So this is where we just got our bandanas for music. Alright, so this is what I chose, the Happy Thai food truck, and I think I'm gonna get the Thai chicken wings.
Alright, thank you.
With the yellow rice. Hi!
Happy Thai
Can I
number
order
12.
now?
Number
Okay.
12.
Can I have an iced Thai iced tea? An iced Thai tea?
Yeah.
The Thai chicken wings?
With rice or without?
With rice.
With rice?
Yep. All right, that was quick, no lines, in and out. So I'm waiting for my
Happy Thai number
chicken
11.
wings and yellow rice and a Thai iced tea because I love Thai iced tea so much. Guys, I can't wait to just really figure out which of these food trucks is my favorite and kind of stalk them around Charleston. So let's see. Travis went to a vegan food truck earlier. I think I showed it. So he tried that. I'm gonna go back to where we're sitting to see if he
Happy
liked
Thai
it.
number 13.
What did you get? What's the place called? What's the place Taylor called? What's the place called that Taylor? And Red Bull, Hennessy, let me hot food. Let me rum and Red Bull. What you thinking? Like Kingpin. Music good. Look at they made it themselves.
I know, look at these earrings.
Sea flower jewelry.
Look at these.
Okay. Taylor, look, I like these ones. Taylor. I wonder how much are these?
Look at these ones.
$12.
Look at this, mommy.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
I want you to breathe me. Let me be your air. Let me roam your body freely. No inhibition, no fear. How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Is it like Nirvana? Hit me harder again. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? How deep is your love?
Her voice is good, right? Yeah.
flies. We've been walking around. A lot of these lines been super long. And so we carry on this banging. It's all banging. It's about 99 calories, but my protein ain't one.
I want you to breathe me. Let me be your air.
So this is the view of the people that are sitting on the outside of the food trucks. The only downside is that you can't hear the music. So if you want to hear the music, you gotta be on the other side. Oh,
How deep is your love? Till like Nirvana, hit me harder again. How deep is your love? How deep is is your love? How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? Pull me closer again. How deep is your love?
Basically, guys, this is once a year. It was canceled last year, but this is the first year that they were able to get back up and running after COVID. So I am happy we found this out. So happy. And we're hoping to bring you guys all the other good things about Charleston so you guys can see and experience.
Switch it up right now.
Okay, so this place gives you, you walk, so you basically stand in this long line to go up there. Then they give you 2 tickets, and now you have to come back in this other long line to pick up your funnel cake. And look how far the line is. This is how far I have to stand now. Crazy. Thank you. Can you rest it on top?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Tell me who I am. Let me in on all.
Your chin is eating. How is it? Your chin has white stuff all over it. Yum, huh? Side to side. Yum. Oh, it's good.
I know.
Yeah, we gotta definitely.
We have too much. We need to get rid of it.
I love funnel cake. But you gotta eat it when it's hot.
Oreo thing right here.
Worth the wait.
I would say that. You only have one though.
You could only have one? Why? Too sweet?
No.
Oh. Alright, so this place, we noticed it when we're eating. They're selling bubbly popsicles and adult kind of popsicles. So we want to try it out and see if they are really good. It's called the Snow Bar Truck. Hi, are there 2 kinds? Is it a popsicle and a push pop? I'm sorry? Are they 2 different types, push pops and popsicles?
Yeah, these are 2 different types.
Can I see what the popsicle looks like? Oh, okay. Gotcha. You want a push pop? Which one? Category 6? Category 6 does sound good. We're getting the Category 6 Hurricane. What I'm loving the most right now, guys, is that there's like a unique blend of businesses here, and nobody's afraid to do anything, okay? Like, anything goes. If you got a business, put it in a truck and you could do it.
Yeah.
Like, look over there, babe. What is that? A cigar lounge?
Yeah.
Where you ain't go? They have a cigar lounge, guys. Oh my gosh, we gotta go look at it. A cigar lounge. Did I tell y'all? Anything goes. Okay, so we're gonna try the Tipsy Ice Category 6 Hurricane. It's sticking to my lips. It tastes like Pisco or like bag juice, but I can't the liquor.
Maybe we alcoholic.
Alright, so this is really dope. It's a mobile cigar lounge. I gotta see it. Oh my gosh, this is so dope. Hello. Wow, this is dope. My gosh, hi. We just want to look to see what it's like. Thank you. Huh? Yeah. Hey, bud. Wow. This is so cool. Wow. Oh, babe, maybe just a bone. So he likes to choose. That will keep him company for a while.
One little piece of beef jerky.
Music Daddy has something for you. Is that a yes? Yeah? So clean. Can't wang with it. Can't wang with it. Can't wang with it. Can't wang with it. So clean. Hey, look at the girl over there.
Oh shit. Song. What you saying? What you saying? What? Yeah. Yo, so what's up, man? Thanks for spending the day with us. It's been a beautiful Saturday so far, but we want to wrap it up. It's getting late and trying to beat the traffic, go home and relax. So yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed it. We did. We had some good food. I'm stuffed. About to go home and sleep it off. Come back and check us out tomorrow. Videos will be posted on Sundays. Let's get it. Making it with the Matthews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Come on, we're trying to get to that 1,000. Let's go.
Tell me who I am. Let me in on all your secrets. No inhibition, no sin. How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Is it like Nirvana? Hit me harder.